Hey everybody. Well, after a lot of researching on how to make all this game-based stuff work with Canvas, I have created a solution because what I thought was going to work and what I've asked some of you to test out and let not working. So thanks to those who either called or emailed and or stopped by the office and said that you clicked things marked as complete, and it turns out I can't see that on my end as the instructor. So I've come up with a different solution and I'm going to walk you through that right now. So if you're looking at your screen, so when you log in, this is what you see. So let's go to Game Quests and hopefully it loads. And so let's just start with orientation. I know most of you have already done this, but I'm sorry, I'm still playing catch up. Like I said previously, things that I thought were going to work a certain way with Canvas ended up not working the way I intended for them to. So you'll notice that in each of the modules for the game quests, I've added a little quiz. So anything with this little symbol is a quiz or a survey in Canvas. You're going to see this. Indicate XP can be awarded. So I'm going to click Take the Quiz, and I completed first day on the job. True. Now that's through and read the assignment page, whichever one it was, and completed whatever was suggested. And that one, it was make sure you read the syllabus, review the layout of the course, those types of things. So I'm going to submit quiz, and so there are 5 possible points awarded because there's just that one question. So now I'm going to go back to, I'm just going to click on modules to go to the game quest selection. And something I'm going to have to do is I'm going to go in and remove the points associated with the individual readings and the non-reading game quests. Because if I leave them there, what I've done is I've added the points from these things. So this is a content page where it sets up what you're doing and also provides the links to the readings as well as the link to the movie clips page. So I'm going to remove those points. That's not going to affect anything that you've done in the class already. What you have to do, if you've completed Game Quest Universities as Organizations, you're going to click on the completion log and then take the quiz. And so mark each item true. Let's see, I completed that intro page, so I'm going to mark that true. I completed the Birnbaum reading of Chapter 2. Yep. I read the Mintzberg article about the 5 S's, or the fives, and I read the hard to understand Wick article. And I watched the movie clips, and they gave me life. So I'm going to click true for all those and then submit quiz. So I'm getting my 26 experience points for those pieces. So I just want to show you what this is doing in the grade section. And so if you scroll and scroll, and this list is going to get cleaned up and shortened because I'm going to take out those individual readings. So you can see the right column is points possible. The left column of numbers is your actual score. So this test student completed the orientation completion log, and so there are 5 points, and completed universities as organizations completion log, 26 points. So this is now a more automated way to award experience points. Instead of clicking completion or something like that with each individual game quest piece, you'll simply go into the completion log for each of those pieces now. So I hope that that is user friendly. I hope it's not cumbersome. Please give me feedback as you're going through this. There are a couple places in the semester where there's a user experience survey where I want to anonymously collect your feedback on the course and your experience to that point. But also, please give me feedback. I hope you enjoy the layout of the course, and I hope that this approach is, like I say, user friendly, and I hope it's not clunky.